How to fix SNB Alahli app not working. If the SNB Alahli app isn't working on your device for some reason, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using a VPN or any sort of proxy settings, normally SNB will not let us use it, so you can make sure to disable those as well. If you have not enabled location access, make sure to also enable location access to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Now once you've done that, you can just close the SNB Alahli mobile banking application. Now you can go ahead and then make sure to long press the SNB mobile app if you're using on Android. Then tap on this I button that will take you to app info. Here you can go to storage usage, where you can clear the cache fast, and you can also choose to clear its data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the SNB Alahli mobile app has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.